Continuing on, we're going to look at our different options for lap siding. So we're showing the RigidStack lap siding that is available in either a textured or a smooth finish. Some of the features about the RigidStack siding is, of course, the spline, which helps that product stack very easily, making it a quicker installation, as well as keeping it tighter and locked to the wall. Some of the other benefits of RigidStack is we have a nail line that's curved into the face of that product, and that just helps make sure that we get the fasteners placed in the right spot, giving us our maximum holding power of that fastener to the wall. So butt joints are always something that can be a difficult situation, but we really feel that we have the easiest way to do a butt joint, and that's by using our H molding. So our H moldings are designed to fit the exposure face of the different widths of siding, and they're color matched, of course, to all of our Diamond-Co colors in either, again, the smooth or textured surface. You can see the H molding here. They're very easy to install. It gives it a nice, clean, finished look. The great thing about the butt joint on LP SmartSide product is that SmartSide needs a 1/4 inch space to allow that product to expand. The H molding is going to cover that space as we install it, so it's going to look the same, and it's going to look good from day one all the way to 30 years down the road. Very quick and easy to do. So the Rigid Shake is based off the same features as the RigidStack siding, where it has the spline in the back to help the installation of that go much, much easier. The other thing that's great about the shakes is they have a shiplap edge, so it eliminates the need for an H molding because the joints are designed to fit together. So we want to take a look at the wall. Some of the important things when you're working with a Rigid Shake product is, of course, we had talked about keeping our distance off of our flashing by 3/8 of an inch. The other thing that's important to know is that the Rigid Shake can be used in a couple different ways. We can either stack it directly onto our course of lap siding and continue up the wall, like we've shown here on this side of the display, or if we're starting new, we have a couple different options on how we can start that product out. So if we take this apart a little bit, under this area we can see that we've built a starter piece, and that's just a piece of lap siding that's ripped to allow that product the Rigid Shake to stack on top of it and cover in the keyways or the voids of our staggered shake. If we're starting with a straight shake, it's very easy to start with our metal starter strip and simply lock the spline into that metal starter strip. So keeping it very simple. From there, we can actually continue up the wall with our staggered edge or our straight edge shake. So the straight shake is great for starting out the staggers because it makes it very simple to start the bottom or the first course and then continue to stack the Rigid Shake product on top of that. Again, you can see how easy it stacks, it holds in place, and that shiplap edge lines right up and basically disappears. So this is going to be an example of our board and batten panel from Diamond-Co Building Products. So it consists of a 3/8 panel paired with a 19/32 batten strip. This is a super popular look, and it comes in a lot of different sizes to match whatever dimension of wall that you've got to make it look good. So whether that be a 4-foot by 8-foot, 9-foot, or 10-foot panel, or a 12-inch or 16-inch wide panel that's 16 foot tall to do those tall vertical gables.